Greetings, my interweb people. Just want to say thanks for checking out my channel. Or thank you very much for coming back. This video was shot on one of the days we had some really high surf hitting the bare lava rocks. Out here on the Kona Coast, the ocean doesn't hold back. Swells roll in from thousands of miles away only to meet solid lava rock on my island with nowhere to go. Every wave hits with force. Every crash leaves its mark. Today, we're flying straight into it. Or more like, straight over it. Capturing the raw power of Hawaiʻi, my home, from above. And as you always know, it's gonna be Ono.